Hello everyone, this video will demonstrate how to bridge ASTR into Omni LS and mint it on the Astar zkEVM network. First, go to omni.ls, connect your wallet in the top right corner and select the Astar zkEVM network. Select vASTR from the vToken list to access the vASTR minting page. If you don't have ASTR, click Cross In to bridge some ASTR. After clicking Cross In, we will enter Stargate to transfer ASTR from the Astar network to Astar zkEVM. Enter the ASTR amount, and click Transfer to complete the on-chain signature and confirmation. Return to Omni LS, and enter the ASTR amount. You will see the gas and cross-chain fees below, with an estimated 5 to 10 minutes for successful vASTR minting. Click Approve to confirm on-chain. Click Stake Now again to complete the on-chain signature and confirmation. Wait for 5 to 10 minutes, and your vASTR balance will be displayed. At this point, you will have initiated ASTR liquidity staking on Omni LS.